Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, the running nutritionist and chef ambassador for Fullei Fresh. I am so happy to be with you today outside, even though it's so sweltering hot, and we got that Sahara sand thing going on, which makes it even hotter. But I am just glad to be outside, as most of us feel like after this whole COVID hibernation thing. We need something fresh and new. And so today I brought to you not only some great alfalfa sprouts that I just grew, but alfalfa clover sprout infused dishes, including my tortilla. It's a wheatgrass alfalfa clover sprout infused tortilla, which I made on my smokeless, which is really cool for the house. I made a couple of the dishes today with a smokeless griddle and a smokeless grill. And really, it takes up just such a small amount of space if you have a very small kitchen. It is the one piece of equipment I do a lot of cooking on. I absolutely love it. My main dish is what I call my steak. As a vegetarian, this Nopales, it's a Mexican cactus vegetable. It's pretty hard when you get it fresh, of course, from the farmer's market, but when you grill it out, I call it my steak. It's just absolutely delicious and high in calcium, which is great for the bones, magnesium, which is a really hard to find mineral, and vitamin C, of course, your antioxidants. On top of that, I made an edamame succotash with delicious corn. Now, I love the Peruvian, the large size corn, but a lot of people are accustomed to the, sweet corn. I did throw in some cilantro. Some of us have the gene that makes cilantro taste like soap in our mouth, but I love cilantro. And I put just one of my little chilies in there. They're super hot. And along with that, I made a yogurt cheese, a Wheatgrass Pulp infused yogurt mint cheese. And the way you do that is you take your yogurt. If you are a dairy eater, then you could take a Greek yogurt. You put it over a little dish. And remember Little Miss Muffet? So the curds stay in the top portion, the whey drips down to the bottom portion, and in about a day, you could spread this cheese. It gets very thick, and you could spread it on anything. I use it as a dip for my fresh vegetables. I've got some wax bamboo from my garden. Wax bamboo is another really wonderful antioxidant, vitamin C rich vegetable, very crunchy. It's kind of like a pear, hardly any calories, very neutral taste, and really lovely if you want to ferment it. And I also I have this gorgeous mango tree, and so nothing like a little sweet along with my fresh greens. So really, take advantage of your sprouts, spruce up your dishes. Sprouts add protein and fiber and antioxidants, and with the wheatgrass, you get a ton of iron, which is great for your blood. So don't be shy. Play around with the ingredients. Go to your farmer's market and pick up some new vegetables, new ingredients, and try growing your own sprouts. It's so easy, and it just brightens every meal, every day of my life, and I want to share that with you. Read my blog this month and you'll get all the recipes. I look forward to seeing you next month.